Hi there, welcome to Some DIY. My name's Ben. Is the Ryobi 18V cordless blower good enough for autumn leaves? Let's find out. Okay, so I've got loads of Ryobi tools now. We've built our collection up pretty well. I've got an impact driver, cordless drill, garden strimmer, loads of other stuff. So I'm building the tools up steadily. So I've had another recent purchase where I got another tool and I got a free leaf blower or a cordless blower included with that bundle. The other purchase I actually made was the 18V multi-material saw. I will be doing a separate video on that. So I bought that saw which came with a battery and it came with a free tool. That was a Black Friday offer from Ryobi. I think that's still on at the moment. I will link to that on the Ryobi site. So in this video, super simple, we'll unbox the cordless blower. I've got a battery, we'll see what it's like, and we'll go outside and basically blow some leaves around. See if it's good enough to clear off leaves in kind of a built up area. So on the box, we've got a couple of points on there. Let me just show you that on the box. So it's an 18V battery. It weighs 1.6 kilograms. Which I think is without the battery probably, and it says you can run on 17 minutes of leaf blowing, it says. So let's get out of the box, let's build it up, connect the battery. I've got a 2 amp hour battery here, and we'll see what it's like. Okay, super simple. Got a leaf blower, got the kind of the extension part there that can do also connect to that. And obviously can buy this with a battery sometimes. There's a compartment there in the actual box to put a battery in, I would have thought. But this is a bare tool, as I mentioned. I got the other set. So the other things in the actual box, other than the blower itself or the motor part of the blower, I've got this funnel which attaches onto the end of there, I guess, and a kind of even smaller one there to direct air, even smaller funnel. It's got the instruction book in there, guide in there. Just a quick start guide, safety instructions, all included there in about 400 different languages. So this should be super simple to set up, I think. So that should just clip onto there, like so, and that can be then clipped onto the end there for a bit of a smaller funnel. So we'll connect the battery in. Let's just make sure it's definitely working. It's a fully charged 2 amp hour battery. Got the button on the top. Let me just blow at the camera. Obviously we need to test this inside first, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow Matilda and I'm going to blow it at her head and get her hair blowing everywhere. So give me 2 minutes and I'll go get her. Okay, we've got Matilda just here ready to go. We're going to blow it at her head. You ready, Tilda? Whoa! Like a big hairdryer! Thumbs up. Oh God, made a cough. Okay, just been outside with this, a little bit drizzly, a little bit wet on the leaves as well, but made no difference. It still blew the leaves really well. 94 decibels of sound as well, just to call that out on there, but really good. Actually makes blowing leaves quite fun, I would say. Super light, nice and lightweight, good ergonomics in terms of the weight distribution. No problems there. I think he did it for a long time, obviously. your arm might start aching a little bit, so you maybe swap arms. But overall, really good to use. 17 minutes on a 2 amp hour battery, I think it is. Obviously you could put a 4 amp hour battery on there as well, but those 2 areas that you saw, or 3 areas that you saw, no problems there with blowing the leaves. Really, really cool. Okay, so I think we answered the question really. The initial question was, is this any good at blowing leaves in the autumn? 100% is. Super good value for money. If you've got the Ryobi tools and you've got the batteries already, and you're going to get it in part of one of the offers, even better. Really, really smart. So definitely recommend it as a leaf blower. We had one previously, which I will link to up here somewhere, was an actual petrol powered one that also gives much more power, longer sessions of leaf blowing, maybe in bigger areas. This is perfect for a garden, a yard. Would also be quite good for just general blowing, so if you've got dust, work areas, sawdust, things like that, this would be really, really good. Overall, really great. Okay, hopefully you found the video informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, but let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the product itself, about my Ryobi tools, about my garden, anything like that, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more tech reviews, product reviews, home DIY projects, cooking videos, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.